FastDraw for Football is a powerful play diagramming tool that has time-saving features to make sure that your playbook is going to be ready in time for your season. FastDraw includes features like building blocks, where coaches can drag entire teams and formations that they've developed onto the field at any given time without redrawing them, and savable arrows, so coaches never have to draw that perfect route twice. Once coaches have drawn their plays, they can drag these plays into playbook chapters and print publication quality output to make sure that they look as professional on paper as they do in the game. For more information, visit www.fastmodeltechnologies.com.